For the bottom layer, we need 100 grams of butter, 100 grams of sugar, 100 grams of dark chocolate, and 100 milliliters of milk. Now we take everything to the heat to boil. Stir the whole mixture to speed up the melting process. And when it boils, cook for 30 seconds to a minute, then remove from heat. Now add 300 grams of ground biscuits. When everything is combined, it should look like this. In a smaller pan, 30 by 20 centimeters in size, place the whole mixture for the crust. Then, using a spatula or something similar, evenly spread and press it. Once we've done this, leave the crust to cool and we move on. From 1 liter of milk, we used 100 milliliters for the crust and 900 for the filling. Pour about 750 to 800 milliliters of milk into a pot. And now we take that to the heat to boil. Meanwhile, in another bowl, mix 100 grams of sugar or to taste. And 3 packets, which is 120 grams of vanilla pudding. You can also use pudding with sour cream flavor. Add the remaining milk to this and mix everything together. When the milk starts to boil, stir in the pudding and mix until it thickens. Pudding cooks quickly, so don't move away. Just keep stirring occasionally. When it reaches this thickness, it's done. Remove from heat. Remove from heat, then immediately add 200 milliliters of heavy cream. Stir gently until everything is combined. The final mixture should look like this. Then divide the cream into 2 equal parts. To the first part, add 200 grams of white hazelnut spread. And then mix until everything is combined. To the second part, add 200 grams of chocolate spread. And like the first one, mix until everything is combined. Spread the yellow, then the brown cream on the crust. Evenly distribute and place in the fridge to cool well.